Welcome to the channel. It's Julian M. Farron, and I'm here bringing you guys a resume analyzer slash checker. It basically tailors your career path with AI. So it uses localhost for simplicity's sake. I've opted not to use a server for this task. I could have, but for this project it would not be necessary. You can unlock the power of AI in career planning with Resume Analyzer. This Flask application uses BERT embeddings to provide a comprehensive analysis of your resume, comparing it to a sample job description. Discover your overall fit and information similarity, gaining valuable insights to enhance your professional journey. Upload your resume now and harness the potential of cutting-edge technology for career optimization. So basically, we'll go through it. So this is the link you're going to use, which this is all open source on GitHub. That's the beauty of it. So you're going to go to this link on your web page, and you're going to run this. And copy and paste job description right here. So for instance, I'm going to go find a job description. I'm going to copy and paste. That's what I just did, exporting goods, okay. And it's going to run it through. And here's the function to compare the text. It uses BERT embeddings and cosines the similarity. Here's the function to analyze how well the resume fits the job using BERT. And there's the main method. So it's not really too complicated, but it's complicated enough to do what it has to do. So we're met with a beautiful HTML page, let me tell you. And I'm going to give it the resume, and I'm going to click Analyze. And it says that I have a overall similarity of 85%, and the information similarity is 97.5%, which is quite accurate when you look at the resume. It looks like a software developer's resume. I mean, it knows what it's doing. So what I can do now is I'll just test it with a different job description that I know I have not matched to. So this is a job that I would match to. That's why it's giving me a decent score. But let's put one in just for test's sake that I know I'm not going to match with. Okay, and the beauty about this is all I have to do is refresh the page. Eventually. Yeah, there we go. That makes me so happy. So it's giving me negative right now, which essentially is telling me that I'm not a fit for this job, which is the expected outcome. And just to prove it, I can stop the application and I can go to, so what these numbers are, you might ask? It's another thing. See this match right here that these other ATS companies are trying to get you to pay for? Well, I saw this and I was like, you know what? I guarantee you I could do one of these for absolutely free, and I could make it open source, and I could have it not run on a server. I'm going to use localhost. That way anybody that wants to go to my GitHub, Julian M. Farron, can go to it, use this absolutely free, open source, and you don't have to pay me a dime. But if I wanted to, I could probably charge $5, $10, $15 for it, and it does the same thing people are paying hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars even, to go through. So I'll just show you how theirs works. It's honestly not as cool as mine in my opinion, but so let's say I want to do cybersecurity engineer, whatever. And it's going to tell me I'm probably a low match rate. Yeah, see, all I get is low. But the thing that's not good about that is it's not giving me the actual numbers. That's what you want. You don't want to see high, low, medium. You want the numbers. You want to know exactly how well of a fit you are. And you want to try to get that as high as possible. So what I can do is I can run the app again. And I'm going to try it with this one again. Go back one more. Exporting goods. What was the other one? Python developer with experience in web development. Yeah, let's try that one. And I'm giving it the same resume for all of these, so it's going to be, yeah. It picked up that I'm a Python developer. It's very, very intelligent. So what I could do to make this even better is, if I wanted to, which for the scope of this project, I'd say this is pretty good. If I wanted to, I could take it a step further, and I could add like suggestions for improvement, or I could add like all kinds of different things. But right now, this is pretty complete. I like the resume analysis results that it's given. I like the way that the structure is. So it's basically just an index file that runs that page. It's very basic HTML. It's like day one of HTML learning courses. It's very, very basic, very, very simple, yet very, very effective. Now, if I wanted to, I could use like some crazy, like for instance, I could just do this, and I go here, and I could say, make it cooler. If I wanted to, I could do that. So another result will be cooler. CSS styling, sure. This is how easy it is to just change something. When I refresh, it'll be a different page. Look at that. That is so cool, and it took 2 seconds to do. You just got to know what you're doing, and the tools will do it for you. Same thing. Boom. Same with this page. It's going to make it look cool. Sure it does. Now we go here again, and when we refresh the page, and we try to go back, oh my geez. Look at that. That's the resume analysis feature. I'm really, really proud of it. I'm going to share the GitHub underneath. If you want to use this tool, all you got to do is copy and paste your job description in, and then copy this, put it into a web browser, any web. This is just localhost. It'll work the same for you. I promise it'll work. You got to run the application. Make sure you see this up here. There's a couple imports you'll have to do on Miniconda. Just make sure you're an admin. It won't be an issue. Go through all this stuff. Make sure you tailor it to you, and then you're going to run it. This is what it's going to do. It's going to say resume analyzer. You're going to click analyze, and it's going to give you your overall similarity and information similarity based on the job description. I don't need to go any further. This is just a comprehensive analysis on what I've done and where I plan on taking this. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, and definitely leave a comment if this helped you out. Have a good one.